Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to see how we can set up our environment for Dart. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Dart in Windows. So there are 4 steps. These are the 4 things we need to set up our Dart environment. First thing is PowerShell, second is chocolataly, third is Dart SDK, and fourth is VS Code editor. So PowerShell is used to run the commands on Windows, and chocolataly is the package manager, which downloads all the packages of the Dart SDK from the Google server. And last is VS Code Editor. This is a code editor provided by Microsoft. So we're going to install it as well and add some extensions to it so we can use it as a Dart development editor. So first thing we're going to do is go to Google Chrome and type install PowerShell on Windows 10. We'll scroll down and then we're going to download the MSI package for the PowerShell. We'll install 64 for 64-bit Windows 10 installation. Then we're going to run this and we're going to choose all the default settings. The installation may take some time. It will depend upon your computer's speed. It is going to ask you that you trust the publisher. Of course, it's from Microsoft. So after we finish installing the PowerShell, then we're going to type the Dart, like we're going to search for Dart in the Google, and we have to click on the get the Dart SDK link. In this link, there are steps how we can install Dart SDK. So to install Dart SDK, first we need to install the package manager name chocolataly. So there is this link for chocolataly. We're going to open it. In this website, then we're going to click on install. It shows all the information how we can install it. We are installing it for individual, so we have to execute this command in PowerShell. So we're going to open up the PowerShell. And as an administrator, because you need administrator access to run this command. We're going to copy this command and execute it in PowerShell. We'll install the chocolataly package manager, and after that we will install Dart SDK. It may going to take some time. Some of the steps may take longer. I have cut it in the editing part, so don't worry if it's still show installing on your computer. So after it is installed, to verify that it is installed properly, we write choco in the terminal and first the version of chocolately. So we have installed the chocolately. So now we're going to get the Dart SDK. For this, we have to copy this command choco install Dart SDK in Powershell. So get the Dart SDK and install it on our computer. Yes, we want to run this script. So we will type by. So Dart SDK is installed. Now we're going to get the VS Code editor. For this, now we go to the Chrome again and type VS editor, VS Code. Click on the download button. So I am running Windows 10, so I will choose 64-bit. So and as well as compile time errors. It will detect compile time errors and all the different things that you will need in Dart. So once the Dart extension is installed, now we're going to create our first program. Click on open folder. Now I'm going to create a new folder here and I will name it Dart tutorials. And now I'm going to create a new file. It will ask, do you trust the author? Of course, I have created this folder, so I am the author. Now create new file and name it hello.dart. You will save all your Dart file with .dart extension. So the first program that we're going to write is we're going to print on the screen. So this is the main method. Everything in the Dart runs in the main method. So this is the function print. We will type hello everyone. And the extension was asking for the SDK. It will, so we have to define where is the SDK. In Windows, it is in the C drive, tools, and Dart SDK. So after that, we will get this option for run above, and we click on it and see there is hello world. If you don't get that option, you can right click and run without debug here. So that way you can run your program also. So in the next video, I will explain more about this first program.